The steadily changing crypto scene can make it trying and mistaking for new financial backers to enter the market and bet on the best coins. While Bitcoin and Ethereum keep on being the top-level crypto coins, they are out of the compass of another financial backer. Thus, they would need to zero in on different crypto coins with a lower cost. The most basic thing with regards to putting resources into crypto coins is to distinguish the best ones that can possibly fill from here on out. In the wake of distinguishing those crypto coins, you really want to direct broad exploration and do a specialized examination to know the decision about whether to put resources into them. Since Ethereum and Bitcoin have a higher worth, you want to find a crypto coin that has a lower cost, like Dogelon. This crypto coin has turned into a top decision for individuals who are devotees of Dogecoin and Elon Musk. According to a speculation perspective, it can see an ascent before very long. We will examine the conceivable worth of the crypto coin in the following couple of years, give you a total value examination, and give you a standpoint, so you can choose whether or not to put resources into the Dogelon Elon. Dogelon Elon outline. Dogelon is an image coin that entered the market after the bull run of the Doge, all through 2021. The name Dogelon is a recognition for Elon Musk, a Doge fan. An essential component that stresses numerous financial backers is that the Dogelon doesn't have a white paper. The cost of Dogelon is presently at $3.30 E7 United States dollars, down 6.63% from its past exchanging volume of $4,035,347. Presently, it is positioned number 127 on the CoinMarketCap, and it has a live market cap of $182,139,698. Its circling supply is 551,465,789,124,062 Elon coins, and it has a most extreme stockpile of 1 trillion Elon coins. On October 30, 2021, Dogecoin arrived at its untouched high of $0.000003. The coin's ongoing stock is 548 trillion, which is more than its whole inventory of 1 quadrillion. Indeed, even with the high volume of Dogelon, it would be difficult for it to accomplish a worth of 1 cent. The primary thing worried for some financial backers is that Dogelon has no guide for the present. Not at all like numerous different monetary forms, it doesn't offer a reasonable possibility to its financial backers with respect to its use. Consequently, numerous financial backers have serious misgivings about putting resources into this coin. By the by, the coin has been exchanged for over a year. The cost of the Dogelon coin has seen variances over the course of the past a year, offering financial backers chances to purchase low and sell high. Thus, this crypto coin merits watching out for in the following couple of years. Dogelon Elon Value Forecast 2023. Specialists have blended sentiments about the crypto market in 2023. Most trust that in the event that the negative pattern go on all through 2023, it will keep on coming down on different coins. In any case, there is a decent opportunity that the market will bounce back, and it will assist Dogelon with restoring its worth. We have broke down expectations from various calculation-based devices and presumed that the normal exchanging cost could remain around $0.00000086 in 2023. Assuming that the financial backers gain trust on the lookout, the Dogelon coin's worth can arrive at the greatest degree of $0.00000101. On the other side, the coin's worth can arrive at the very least degree of $0.00000084 in the event that the market keeps on seeing a negative pattern. Financial backers should remain cautious and intently watch the changing elements to trade the Dogelon brilliantly. Dogelon Elon Value Expectation 2024. Organizations and designers are constantly attempting to think of various new undertakings on blockchain innovation. We saw a quick development in the worth of crypto coins after the send-off of NFTs. Accordingly, new undertakings can affect the cost of coins like Dogelon. Be that as it may, these are hypotheses and projections from different specialists. There is no substantial strategy that can assist with determining the Dogelon coin's worth later on. As indicated by our investigation of different expectations apparatuses, we anticipate the typical exchanging cost for this coin would be near $0.0000001333 all through 2024. The Dogelon coin's cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.00000152. though it can remain at the insignificant degree of $0.00000128. The most fundamental thing financial backers need to recollect is recognizing the ideal opportunity to trade a specific time. Recognizing the perfect opportunity to trade the coin is basic. If you have any desire to put resources into the short run, you can purchase the crypto coin at a lower cost and sell it at a more exorbitant cost. In a perfect world, contributing for a lengthy period is better, since it can assist you with yielding great returns and save you from continuous cost vacillations. Dogelon Mars Elon Value Forecast 2025. While the Dogelon Mars is an image coin, numerous specialists accept it can see an ascent in esteem in the following couple of years. In the event that it can catch the financial backers' eye, it can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.00000224 by 2025. The coin will remain at a typical cost of $0.00000195 all through 2025. The anticipated Elon cost for Dogelon Mars is around $0.00000191. It is normal to arrive at a high of $0.00000032 toward the finish of 2025. Which is fundamentally high contrasted with the ongoing cost. Given its drawn-out potential, the Elon cost expectation for Dogelon Mars is exceptionally encouraging. Dogelon Mars, Elon, long haul estimate 2030. Since there are no exhibition measurements or budget reports to assessing the coin's incentive for 2030 becomes troublesome. By and by, you can find out about the conceivable worth of the Dogelon Mars in 2030. By assessing projections from different cost forecast devices. Cost expectations for Dogelon Mars demonstrate that it will begin at $0.00000161, and an increment is normal soon. In any case, because of its inflationary nature, it has a lot of hazard. Just digital currency devotees can exploit this coin, and it must be exchanged for a brief time frame. The base Elon value that is supposed to be reached in 2026 is $0.00000151. The value developments of Dogelon Mars can be credited to the different variables that influence its worth, for example, online entertainment, publicity, and declarations. History has shown that when images gain broad consideration, they can give financial backers returns. The expectation of the Dogelon Mars Elon cost for 2030 is extremely encouraging. It is normal to arrive at a high of $0.00000413 and turned into a productive speculation. As shown in our 2030 cost expectation, the typical conjecture is around $0.00000427, with a limit of $0.00000440 for Dogelon Mars. Given its drawn-out potential, the Elon cost expectation for Dogelon Mars is exceptionally encouraging. Dogelon Mars, Elon,